the other piece to this, and one thing that I would like everyone to sort of remember, is that a lot of pet parents also don't really have a true understanding of what veterinary care costs. So often they, and I think this is an urban myth, so to speak, is they'll sort of assume in their mind, oh, if my dog has an allergy or gets a wound or has two ear infections I need to treat and treat some arthritis, they have sort of this perception because of human healthcare that I'll have it'll be a $10 prescription, or I'm going to have everything sort of rolled into one small fee, because for many of us that of course have human health insurance, we don't see the costs of human care. And if you did, you'd be so surprised. We often, and I'm obviously a huge proponent of giving pet parents resources from day one on how to financially prepare for the lifetime of their pet. This is when pet health insurance, it really shines, because instead of us having to experience one of these really traumatic moments where you have a huge financial burden and maybe not the greatest prognosis, and now you have a chronic condition that probably will not be covered by pet health insurance. Instead, I really like to encourage from the very beginning, the first adoption visit, when pet parents are super excited and we have a puppy or a new adult or senior rescue, and we're talking about how can we look ahead for this journey and let you reach the goals that you want for your pet. For some pet parents, they want to be able to do anything possible. For others, they may have more of a conservative approach, but ultimately, most dog and cat breeds today have inherent risks of disease at some point in their lifetime. We know that. So a lot of pet parents are just, especially because of COVID, we had a lot of first-time pet parents. They're just really unaware of what the costs of treating even something like allergies, long-term allergies, can be. So I really like to encourage and be transparent from the very beginning. These are some of our risk factors ahead. This is what this could cost. I want you to at least have that in your mind, because there are probably going to be resources that are beneficial for you to look into and or investigate or adopt into your family's life, so that you can really plan and reach the goals that you have for your pet.